so drunk that I don't hear you. You're like on videotape her like she's a dog. I'm not a dog.
It's paper towel.
What is that?
It's really cool.
You just sip this.
Do you see these techniques of Dad? He's like, it's drink out of the paper towel. This is little doll.
Paper who?
All your problems. What exactly do you want me to do?
Drink the water.
Yeah.
Don't drink it real fast. Just slow, really slow. Just sip it, kind of sip it.
Mostly the paper towel, soft, like hiccup.
You need to sip it, like kind of just.
Is it working?
The other way you told me to guzzle it, but now I'm
Be constant, but just a little bit. Like that. That's the sound. That's the sound that you want to make.
What sound?
That when you're kind of sucking it out of there, you're not really pouring it. You're sucking it through the paper towel.
such a load of shit.
I'm telling you.
Getting rid of my hiccup.
Was that a hiccup?
Yes,
Yes.
it was a hiccup. Yeah, I have the hiccup.
Now Ted's hiccuping. Ted, you just hiccuped. I saw you. Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
I think everybody has.
He says that I'm going to get rid of my hiccups through drinking through a paper towel, which is absolutely absurd. You don't even have
How does
hiccups.
paper towel help?
You're sucking it through the paper towel.
This will be fascinating.
I want to hear you hiccup really loud.
Like you put the water up there and then you suck it through the paper towel.
Like for real.
Okay. It's natural though. That was a real hiccup.
That is a fake one.
No, these are real. I'm just making them sound. They're real now. God, you guys are so harsh. I mean, I have the hiccups. You just don't hear them, but I hear them in my ear, in my right ear.
The hiccups?
Like that.
Yeah,
that was a real one.
That was a hiccup.
Because I have them. Silly.